Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the Ecosport's audio system. Turn the ignition to accessory or on. Once done, put your phone's Bluetooth into discoverable mode so the car can find it. If you plan to use wired audio, plug a USB or AUX cable into the console now. Wired connections bypass pairing steps and provide stable audio. Make sure volume on both devices is audible. This prevents missed prompts during setup and speeds the pairing process. You'll navigate the sync or audio system menu and choose phone or Bluetooth, then select Add Device. Next, on your phone, choose the vehicle name that appears. When a PIN or confirmation appears, confirm it so both devices trust each other. Once paired, allow media and phone audio permissions so music and calls route correctly. Also, make sure the car's audio source is switched to Bluetooth or USB. Otherwise, sound will remain on radio or another input. You finish by playing a song or making a test call to confirm left/right balance, volume, and mic quality. If everything sounds right, save the device as preferred so it auto-connects next time. Make sure the car source stays set to Bluetooth or USB during use. If things go wrong, try restarting both phone and the car's infotainment. Make sure older pairings are deleted to avoid conflicts, and then retry the pairing sequence to establish a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.